how to use Canva templates in PowerPoint. So if you want to use Canva templates in your PowerPoint, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your browser and then go with your Canva. Make sure that you've logged into your account. Once you've logged in, you need to go with the presentation section. You can go and create your own presentation, but in my case, I just simply go and select an example. Like for example, this one. Once you're satisfied with the presentation, go with apply all pages and go and edit it or be done with your presentation. So once you've done with your presentation, you need to go with the top right, which has that share button, and from share, you will have an option to download. You need to click on download, but while downloading, you need to choose Microsoft PowerPoint. You can also choose the option from here as well, or just click on download and then go with the file type and select PPTX, which is Microsoft PowerPoint document, and it will be saved as a PowerPoint document. So go with download, wait for a few seconds. After that, open the PowerPoint presentation that we've just saved, and that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.